for decades, the process of creating product content has looked the same. Every season, you photograph your full range, you get 5 to 7 angles per shoe, and you do it all over again the next season. On top of that, you are running multiple separate processes for pack shots, lifestyle images, videos, and each has its own brief, its own production, and its own cost. This works, but it is slow, costly, and it requires a lot of manual work, and we believe there's a better way. And it all starts with a digital copy of your product. We take your physical samples and turn them into true-to-life 3D assets. Correct colors, correct materials, indistinguishable from the real thing. And once that asset exists, everything changes. Now your e-commerce team can render product images for your online store with the right background, right lighting, right file format, and without any reshoots. And your marketplace team can produce image sets tailored to every platform's specification at scale with the click of a single button. But it also goes beyond static images. You can embed interactive 3D experiences directly into your product pages, letting your customers explore your product from every single angle, highlight the features that you think matter, and even try them on with their smartphones. The kind of experiences that previously only existed in physical stores. And with your 3D asset as the foundation, you can now bring generative AI to life. We've built a tool for marketing teams to generate campaign visuals with AI that actually looks like your products. Not like this, or like this. You can also equip your sales team with digital samples for your entire product range. Embed interactive 3D into your product catalog, and let your most important wholesale accounts use it as well. And then bring the experiences all the way to their customers. Now, all you need to do is send your products to Fibbl instead of your old 2D studio. And if you're curious to see what this would look like for your brand, book a call. I'll be happy to explore this with you.